Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repeat row and column headers on each page in Excel. Let's get started. Often, when you print reports spanning multiple pages, the headers disappear after the first page. Let's fix that. Take this sales data for 2009 spread across multiple pages. If I hit print, you'll notice the headers only show up on the initial page, leaving subsequent pages headerless. To fix this, head over to the Page Layout tab. Within the Page Setup group, find the small dialog box launcher. Clicking that opens the Page Setup dialog box. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Alt-PSP. Now navigate to the Sheet tab. You'll see an option labeled Rows to Repeat at the top. This is where you select the rows you want repeated on every page. I'll choose these two rows to ensure they appear consistently. Once selected, click OK. That's it. Now when I hit Ctrl P and flip through the pages, you'll notice those headers stay put on every page. This isn't limited to rows. You can do the same for column headers. In the Page Setup dialog box, under the Sheet tab, you'll find the option Columns to Repeat at the left. Here, you can specify which columns you want repeated. That concludes this guide. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.